Difu Girls College along presiding lapen polling site huwa tumaphan sekekipi. Bogajan Legislative Assembly angkang dait hor lapen japra lang solong BJP pen vote kerekamay kapadopon. Difu Recreation Park along hirjuramay kichun ning karong amay kapamanpon. Kardom ada birta longpen nili birta thanbang sami Monica Mirikpi non birtang tonpen arjuit tha. Election District Difu Aparman Dhormnala Girls College along jamini phai hiniar ni pen adun thuar ni pen presiding lapen polling saipu aseke kipi chengthu. Jangmi ni phai krener kebarni kedoji Difu Autonomous District ST Parliamentary Kilik Mesen pen kepa chunjia phan Difu Dhormnala along kedo Girls College along jangmi ni phai hiniar ni pen adun thuar ni presiding lapen polling saipu aseke padupon thu. Laso seke along Difu Legislative Assembly lapen Hauraghat Legislative Assembly kaparlo sai kam saipu lapen Chokomar Phansi seke asai along parlo pon.
এনেকে সিলে থাকিব সিলিং শিকাইছিল না আপোনালোকক সিলিংটো জানে না সিলিং ক'ব লাগিব পাছত যদি নাহে কোনো আমি কিন্তু মকলি কৰিব
Bokajan Legislative Assembly angkang Duar Baguri Constituency, Daithor, Nilip Constituency, Surupathar Constituency, Japralangso Deopani Constituency along Non-Kewangji Lok Sabha Kiligalong, BJP pen kachetoidon Horen Singh Beaphan, Kangthum Karne asai kapadopona birta, Perangkepen birta nang pale. Bangso amay along Karbing Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Ronghang, EM atum Ratan Teron, Jagat Singh Ingti, MAC atum Mukut Mahanta, Richard Tokbi, Pavitra Rongpi, MLA Barim Vidya Singh Leng, Lapen MLA Dr. Nuwal Momin atum Chetongdun. MP candidate Horen Singh Bepen, Maya Long, Kaning Jepon ke BJP party lake, AC ke Mesana party, Lapen Christian Hindu ke BJP song along ke Alamawe. Non-Karbi MAC, EM atum the Christian Hindu atum side lo. Lasu non ke bang MP kiligalong ke nang itong pidong arjan along ador ke so vote pen BJP asong phale pahay non pusi BJP pen MP candidate Horen Singh Bepen Mayalong Jai labang so mai kapaman pon along preexam rachari asong ke koyara atum BJP asong along kacharab dunji aphan chingbedu JLF pen kapatir pipon kedam tang achiklo Difu Poetry Festival kapachun keklem kedam kachapaduka tumaphan JLF amai phu Welsing Hanse pen kongchun bang onteron atumpen Japon si jangmi ni phai hiniar ni Difu Recreation Park along Difu hirjura mai kichun ning karong amai kapadopona birta perangke pen birta nang pali Korbiang long anso se lamed lamchong ke pachan jia phan pura keklem ke dama motona long jakong kache pherang pon jia phansi bangso amai padopon lo la bangso amai long JLF abidisar mate EM barim surjo rong parlapen advocate dhonisan lekthe lunse pomon kiribe lapen Christian teron atum pen chenglok lamed lamchong aphan kaching hona bang phu bang phi atum chetong dunsi ningarong amai long ningarong chipidun renti non molom so por aphan birta moin tomponix na
Ini siksa kelabon nila so cupen cerap leka cerap.
Pipot lo nangina chusir ham tamle ingisu.
Ini siksa kelabon nila so cupen cerap leka cerap cing sok taun elo.
Nang cucut bu. Cepaking dan lo mati.
Tangkalam lo ti oi cepakeng cita.
Madhari, lo nalok tar beauty parlor long discount pi bom ke.
Kalang ma, konat lo lake.
Difu ATR lo Iron Bridge adung rong supia long kecengsi sopinso lapen soar lo tu kapamada dim lo.
Kalang ma.
Kalang lo, kecengsi sopinso lapen soar lo phat kapamada dim. Claret Beauty Unisex Parlor. Nang litum lada, hair straightening 40% off along, hair spa ake joy pen long ponikti. Facial 50% off, haircut 50% off, pedicure and manicure 50% off, hair color 25% off, hair curls 30% off, hair smoothing 40% off, hey hui long ponikti. Claret Beauty Unisex Parlor near Central Bank ATM, Iron Bridge, Rongparpi, Rongbe Road.
Claret Beauty Parlor
Lasinang itum sa padar ipin na humrig no.
Ganj. Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akinang sa hormu ason sa lampon tanglo. Lasinang itum Arniwang kinang sot kichu ason la penthesri alang hithi gulat along longpon ikji. Kang tirtang kijun alang, tharwe alang, theso alang, kichu ajam tu, tharmit aduk, thelua kreng, chitronola ukthor pen chenglok ongdung hemalong akinang sot hormu longpon ikji.
I've been a voter for the last 11 years. I've always wondered,
if my vote counts or if the machine has recorded what I've pressed.
I've always thought, what if there's a verification system
which provides proof that I've voted for the candidate
and the party of my choice.
Introducing a system that can assure you. The Voter Verifiable Paper Audit Trail or VVPAT is one answer to all my questions. This is one independent system attached to the electronic voting machines that allows the electors to verify that their votes are cast as intended. How to cast your vote using the EVM and VVPAT. Step 1. Enter the booth. The presiding officer will enable the ballot unit while you enter the voting compartment. Watch out for the green light on the EVM indicating the machine is ready. Step 2. Cast your vote. Press the blue button on the ballot unit against the name or symbol of the candidate of your choice. Step 3. See the red light. The red light against the name or symbol of the candidate chosen will glow. Step 4. See the print. Look for the transparent window of the VVPAT. Look for the printed paper slip showing the serial number, the name and the symbol of the candidate of your choice. The slip remains exposed for 7 seconds, then it gets cut and falls in the drop box of the VVPAT. VVPAT, the revolution in the electoral world. As a citizen of this country, I know what and who I voted. I experience trust, transparency and fairness. It's about verification and voters' satisfaction. Do not leave the polling station without looking at the VVPAT. This is a good thing.
If your name is not in the electoral roll and you have completed 18 years of age as on 1st January 2019, then contact the BLO of your polling station to enroll your name and establish your democratic right to vote in ensuing Lok Sabha election 2019.
Aturkimi Academy Jifu, affiliated to CBSE, New Delhi. Admissions open for Montessori, LKG, UKG, class 1 to 9 for the session 2019 and 20. Facilities like boys and girls hostel, crash babysitter, art class on Saturday and Sunday. Registration forms are available at school office on all working days from 1st week of December 2018 from 8 am to 1 pm. Aturkimi Academy Difu, Rukasan Amlapati, Difu 782460. For more queries, please contact at the number given on screen. Free admissions for Montessori students, sponsored by Aturkimi Society.
Nilingkan kray silo vote ke joktang. Nilikay ta mathadam.
Niliki piawot, lakhapon loma. Kalite nilike berate, mission along, klang pamiloma.
Nilikay ta mathadam. Ke jokateng pen, ke patini avar sai doma.
Ningke hanga bang phophat ke joka vote lo dam lo puang thai doma. Ningke hanga party aphan.
Kachiki klong isia kimia dici. Vote ke jok ang thek kot pen, ke patini un adici VVPAT henlo. Nilining dorik ason anther thipen kang sai un adici. Lake isi salajong pen karjab adicilo. Lapen EVM along cerap lok ahor mulo. EVM lapen VVPAT pen nang liko son si vote jokpo. Keng kamisi polling booth arlo kilut. Vote ke jok ahem arlo kilut dampen presiding officer si ballot unit pe karpo. Keng kam hini vote jok milo. Ballot unit along akilir abatan along ning ke hangabang puamen mate ang thek pen pachiton ra ber ignon. Keng kam ke thom ake era tur klang luma ning ke hangabang puamen adung ake era tur klang pu. Keng kam pli kang chap alo klang luma VVPAT along ke klang kang chap alua phai lang ik noi haladak nang lining ke hanga bang phua men mate ang thek klang loma labang so kang chap alua chat second troxian siklang chonji la so a philo te amina chi thui pen che beng pet si siang deng along che thap dam thot pu VVPAT ke isi aki mi che thang klong adi chilo nili inut det pia mekar la pen nili che chini komata phansi vote ke jok vek ma la pen nili theklong lo ko pima ning ke the klar dak chingbar kri ke jok vek avot ning ke hang abang phua phan lelu pu ke patini pen ning che pang samjin na phan lo lasi vote ke jok a hemar lo pen bar be aprang e phong VVPAT along patini te kang tha laki ke mesen alam lo jongsi electoral voter list along nang limem thap thelang puluti lapen nang li jongsi arkoi niphai isi inkoira sirkep an nang li arta ningkan khrena kep choklo puluti polling station abial o aphan nang limen che thap dun pen democratic raida te non ke nang leji lok sabha election inkoira sirkep aput vote chok dun ignon
Dihina mo pibutod birtalong mang tuiglo. Kebangji number 2 autonomous ST parliamentary constituency pen Lok Sabha kilik kapado ponji along People's Party Racharia Songtum pen kilik along Kachapate dunde abirta People's Party amai pu Rajan Timung pen birta pangda. People's Party Racharia Song along ke Kroy dun arat do sidame alang litum pen MP kilik along candidate chetoy dunde pusi birta pangda. Lasi People's Party hin pen karbiang long lapen di mahasawarat akisung kamatha thek jasemet pen Articles 244A MOS lapen MOU ke pachun jia phan psychic lem pon thek lapen ke matha thek kachap kang ton KL NLF UPLA lapen ke PLP asong tumpen central government pen chiki bom lapen alang litu makemang aputha ka pachun PG phan ke klem ke dam mate kacharap ka chetodun aning ke hangbang pho phan si kiligalong kacharap dun jia phan pachini Lasi karbiang long lapen di mahasawara datuma phan sitame mesena candidate mate asamalong rialong kedo inglong arad akemang kapachun jia phan ke claim ke damaning kamat halapen aning ke hang a candidate phan si kiligalong vote ke jok dun jia phan alang hin pen kachuning ri pado West Karbiang long prek mahawara long non hejong tomonari herai ke thepar pega jok hemasar nu mate tinanda kaheno laba birta nilitum kat news apherang ke atumpen birta nang pali non malom ni hang ni rep along ri prek mahawara long RW ke jang chimit mepin lason si West Karbiang long angkang bathalang sopen chenglok prek mahawara long ta tomonari ke the lapen herai ke klo birta long dun halapu jirikin deng hawara long ta herai ke klo par pega jok hemasar nu mate tinanda heno lablo anparta thengpi thengprang thesere athe hai huyanta herai ke klopen penangan na hoklo ada birda bangila puan sing ton poniglo dome thakme kurbang thu